Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Recently I purchased 4 of the Spring Garden stamping plates by Born Pretty store from the AliExpress store. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing Spring Garden L006 and L007. As always, you can find information on where I purchased from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips, which I'll be taking 3 swatches from each plate. I'll be starting with Spring Garden L006. For the first swatch I'll be using a pink coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Now this isn't a combination that I use very often, but for a floral image like this one it just works so well. This is so very pretty. For the next swatch I'll be using a light green nail tip along with a teal green stamping polish. I will remove any excess before stamping down. This image would look great with some added colour, but also maybe some grass on the bottom. It would really bring some character to the nail as well. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a metallic green stamping polish. This stamping polish is really new to me, but I just love it over the white. It really makes any image stand out, and it definitely does with this cactus image. Not the normal colour I would use, but it's still a very nice image though. Moving on to Spring Garden L007, and for the first swatch I'll be using a pale yellow coloured nail tip along with a metallic brown stamping polish. I've been using this colour combo a bit just recently, and when the brown goes over the yellow it sort of has an orangey tinge to it, which I really like the effect, and this image is just stunning. For the next swatch I'll be using a lilac coloured nail tip along with a dark purple stamping polish. With this image, when I look at it, I just want to fill the whole thing in with colour. It would look absolutely beautiful and would make a great focal point of a mani as well. There is just so much detail to this image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. This is also really new to me. With the small flower you could use it to completely fill the nail, just repeating it over and over. It would look really pretty, but even on its own it's still a stunning image. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these Born Pretty stamping plates. Born Pretty Spring Garden L006 is absolutely packed full of different size images, from the 7 square images along the bottom as well as the 35 images at the top, which range from the small cherry to the large branch. It is mainly floral images, but there is also some animals as well, like the butterfly or the swan or the mouse or the horse. L006 just has so many possibilities. Some of the pop sticks I have added more than one image with the smaller ones. Now, one of the large square images on the bottom, the dotty one on the far left, I think there is an engravement issue. With one of the rows of dots, it affects the swatch. I don't think I would ever use this image, which is such a shame. This can happen on stamping plates and I've had it happen before, but this is the only image that is actually affected. For the smaller images I did use my smaller stamper on some of them, as they were tiny images like the cherry. I actually adore plates which have a big mix of images. They can really add something different to a mani, and the amount of manis from a plate like L006 is endless. Again, which is another thing I absolutely love. L006 can see you right from spring all the way into summer. With the large square images, I would, for my nails, probably have to double stamp one underneath the other just to fill my nails. I did do this for the mani I created from L006. I do look at L006 and think, what in the world am I going to create next? So many choices. For the mani, I went with a dark coral gel polish colour, and I've stamped in a burgundy. I love this colour combo. I've just used 2 different images to create this mani, a mix of small and large images. I love to create these using the large and small designs. It really can break up a mani. I absolutely love this mani. It's very summery. Born Pretty Spring Garden L007 is full of stunning floral images. There is 7 large floral designs along the bottom, with 6 small circular images in the middle, along with 6 small images at the top, which 3 are layering. Again, there is a lot of possibilities with L007. A lot of these images would look amazing coloured in. I don't think I have many, or if any, circular floral images, so I'm excited to see what I can do with them. They really did fill the pop stick well. For the smaller images, I did use my smaller stamper, and because of the 3 layering images. I did actually think that the leaf one wasn't a layering design to begin with, but you could just use the outer layer of the layering images on their own. I do want to see what L006 and L007 would create for a mani. I think they would work really well together. That would create even more possibilities. Both of these Born Pretty Spring Garden stamping plates have been really easy to work with. I will say they are well engraved, and I had to remove cotton wool fuzzies from the plate before stamping again, so I just have to remember that when I use them again. But I really enjoyed working with L006 and L007. Born Pretty stamping plates are super easy to work with, and I can see both of these being super popular. So for the mani, I did something I've not done for a while, a Sharpie mani. I used a white gel polish for my base, and I've stamped in black. I used a mix of pink, purple, orange, yellow and red and green to blend these colours for the images. Considering I don't do these types of manis very often, I love this mani. It's just right for the upcoming summer months. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Born Pretty stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye!